In the rapidly changing realities of digital age, journalism today faces a profound crisis and a period of introspection. Under the pressure of paid news, fake news, and content-driven commission, the core responsibility and credibility of the news media are being questioned. Against this backdrop, prominent figure expressed important thoughts on the current realities and future direction of journalism at the reunion event of Department of Journalism and Mass Communication at Tripura Central University. The reunion and freshers welcome ceremony of the former and current students of the Journalism and Mass Communication Department of Tripura Central University held at Shukanta Academy in Agartala was not merely a nostalgic gathering. Rather, it transformed into an important intellectual platform for discussion of the past, present, and future challenges of journalism. Present at the event were Dr. Sunil Kalai, Head of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication at Tripura Central University, Professor Dr. Dharmendra Kumar Dubey, and Professor Dr. Deepak Upadhyay. Their presence served as a source of inspiration for the newcomers and created a bridge between experience and value. One of the most important parts of the event was the awarding of honors. Dr. Vishwendu Bhattacharya, the first PhD scholar of the Journalism Department of Tripura Central University and a prominent journalist of Tripura, was given a special honor. Alongside him, Dr. Debraj Deb, an alumnus of the department and a distinguished journalist, was also felicitated at the event. This honor is considered by those concerned not only as a recognition of personal achievement but also as a reflection of the ideals and professional responsibilities of journalism. Following the award ceremony, a special discussion was held on the transformation and challenges of the media. The discussion highlighted how serious problems like paid news and fake news are damaging the credibility of journalism. Projapita Deb Roy opined that in the age of free flow of information, the question of truth verification and ethics has become even more important.
It's a pretty rampant and prevalent tendency in Tripura and elsewhere that we spread fake news. It's a huge problem in...
Can we take that letter? Because it's very interesting, and this should be answered by another active journalist who had been into the field for several years. So she has highlighted about the kind of fake news, the kind of unrealistic news, the need for proper media literacy for the journalists to be trained. What's the missing link that you found? Either Debraj or Vishwendu, can you answer on this?
Speaking at the discussion, Dr. Vishwendu Bhattacharya said, although media is now a commodity, journalists must first be a good citizen. This requires skills, responsibilities, and social values. His statement clearly highlighted the conflict between commercialization of journalism and its social responsibility.
Literacy is something that how you perceive. And education is something which is driven by certificate. But if we talk about the skill development, this is the missing link. I think the skill development is to be the core of our JJMC department. Because we have literacy, we are literate. Media literacy, if we talk about the media literacy, we know what is media, how media functions, what kind of information we sell tomorrow. Because I usually tell my people, they see, what you see, it is not an issue. What I see on my eyes, my two eyes, the 40 lakhs people of Tripura will see Tripura tomorrow. So you are not a matter, you are simply a consumer for me. And I am the producer. So if I look it in a turning eye, so this entire product will be taken a dishing. So as a good citizen, my responsibility will be to take a lenient view. Lenient view means because my understanding doesn't matter. That's why they say it is something like Mahabharata, where Sanjaya is just narrating to Dhritarashtra, and all of us still, after so many centuries after, we are just studying this, what is this, why this was happened. So I think role of media should be like a Sanjay. We all are Sanjayas. But if someone questions about the Sanjay's understanding, whether Sanjay has seen it properly, or whether it was correct, actually it was happened or not, it's a question of mistrust.
On the other hand, journalist Debraj Deb expressed concerns about the current trend in digital media. Currently, digital media is becoming content-driven, where the number of serious readers is gradually decreasing. He noted that people are increasingly drawn to gossips and sensational stories, which poses a major challenge for quality journalism.
Consumer group of digital media content in India is the age group between 18 to 30. There are, of course, like previously we used to do a lot of guesswork while generating content, right? Which kind of content might use 10 things that you would want to see before you die. This kind of content were there early when we are looking at digital media content. But these days, we have got Google Analytics, we have got Chartbeat, we have got so much kind of determining factors to find out which content is working out, which age group is reading them, what is the prime time for reading them, from which geographical location they're reading, what is the per page and per line sort of author engagement time, readership engagement time. So we find that there is a huge drop in the serious news readership among the new generation readers of India.
Overall, this reunion and pressure reception program created an important platform for self-reflection on the future direction of journalism, going beyond mere representation of emotional memories. This discussion undoubtedly provided a practical lesson for new journalists, where the message of giving equal importance to ethics, skill, and civic responsibilities alongside professional success was clearly conveyed. It is worth discussing that a total of 336 people have so far received postgraduate degree in journalism and mass communication from Tripura Central University. However, concerns were expressed at the discussion meeting regarding the fact that mass communication is not included in the curriculum at school and college level in the state. The various countries around the world, mass communication is included at the school and college level. However, due to the lack of inclusion of mass communication at the school and college level here, conflicts have arisen with professionals. It was highlighted in the discussion that introducing mass communication at the school and college levels would improve quality of service as well as social discipline. Naturally, the state's government attention was drawn to this matter during the discussion meeting. Bureau Report News Now.